the rain spirit of the Dupa. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so you're gonna see some things here that might challenge you. That's how we do it on Fearless and Far. We don't judge, we don't ask too many questions. We just experience and be grateful that in a land far, far away, the people are nice enough to allow us to see these ancient rituals that are soon to be gone. Welcome to the Dupa tribe of Cameroon.
Sometimes these adventures are too wild to believe, and this is one of those stories. We came here looking for a tribe, and we ended up making a sacrifice to a rain god. It's a long story, so